Hey everyone, welcome back to the Knowledge Chest, where I teach you how to play guitar in an easy and accessible way. Today we're going to learn how to play the G-flat major chord on the guitar. To play the G-flat major chord, we're going to use a bar chord shape. It might be a bit tricky at first, but with practice, you'll get it. Start by placing your index finger across all 6 strings at the 2nd fret. This is called barring the fret. You want to press down firmly to make sure all the strings ring out clearly. Next, place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the 5th string, which is the A string. Then, position your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the 4th string, or D string. Finally, place your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string, the G string. Strum all 6 strings together, and you should hear a full G-flat major chord. If some of the strings don't sound clear at first, don't worry. It takes some time to get comfortable with barring all the strings. If you'd like to hear how this chord sounds, check the link in the description for a recording of the G-flat major chord. Thanks for watching and keep practicing. Remember, with patience you can master any chord. See you in the next lesson.